So I'm in the man's workshop.
Vậy thôi.
Ah.
Rồi ông út ra. Út ra.
Is it fuller?
Út ra. Út ra.
I can't see, man. I need my glasses.
Đây, út ra. Út ra.
Hang on.
Út ra. Đây là đồ, hầu như là đồ kia hết. Út ra đây nữa. Japan.
Oh yeah, USA. Yeah, USA, USA, Japan. So good.
Đây
Good.
là Japan.
Yeah, Japan good. Actually, USA tools are good too.
Đây là Japan.
Yep. Multi 17 and a 19.
Nhưng mà cứ vô xe.
So this here.
Máy này là chuyện dễ này. Sườn luôn.
Oh, this is a press. I'm with you now. Yeah. So it's a press. Brother. Okay.
Ok.
Yeah.
Còn thử. Nhưng mà nhiều lắm.
What do you got down here? What's down here? Motorbike. Ooh. Oh, not. Okay. Don't worry. Yeah, that's your house. It's okay. Yeah.
Ngoài cắt.
Yeah, cut off saw.
Cắt.
Yeah. Yeah, 14 inch.
Mà để đánh bóng.
Oh yeah, polish.
Hot.
Yep.
Con này rửa xe.
Polish.
Rồi,
Make new.
Rồi.
Yep. Gotcha. Yep.
Ta là.
And what's this here? This is a go-go fast bike here.
Đúng rồi. Này vô cổ. Hòn này lại. Vô cổ. Nitan.
Wow, you
Nitan.
you make? Wow.
Nitan.
No, that's a brought one.
Cái này là để CNC vào cách nước của hai thầy.
Yep, show me what you got there, pal.
Đây, cái này.
Yeah, radiator. Yeah, radiator.
Đúng rồi.
Radiator. Radiator protection.
Rồi đây.
So he's got a rose aluminium. This is aluminium.
Vô.
MIG.
Vô. Cái này là điện.
I'll put it here. Top of that bike there. He's working on this bike. It's got everything on it. This is a drag bike. Okay, back to the boss.
Anh đi.
Welder, yeah. Stick weld. TIG, yeah.
Đây là mít.
Oh yeah, you got a little MIG there.
Mít.
Yep.
Khí. Đó. Đây là nhiều đó.
Yeah, oxyacetylene. You got the gas. Oxyacetylene. Yep.
Đây.
Yep.
Bô này cắt tên.
Gas here. Same me. Engineer. Yeah. Same me, brother.
Rồi cái này là rua đuôi.
So he's got a Honda Dream here, 110cc Honda Dream. He's doing up the frame. Oh yeah.
Mình sẽ hơi khó.
Okay. So what's his answer to that? This guy is sorted and he's very
Chắc là vô.
okay. A new tray there. Yeah.
Lấy ra.
Cutting.
Đúng rồi.
Yeah, and galvanized press. Galvanized. Yep.
Giống gì nè. Còn này nó lũng rồi mình làm lại. Lũng này.
Yeah.
Mình sẽ
Rotten.
bột vô.
Cutting.
Bột.
Yep.
Đó, hàng vô. Đó là
No, you're good. You're good, man. You're good. You, no, don't worry. Yeah. Working man's hand. Working man's hand. Yeah. Show me your hand. Can see. Look. Yeah, working man's hand. It's good. Yeah.
Bồ tá lạ.
Yeah, exhaust. Wow. This is his little workshop in front of his house here.
Chỗ này tôi dùng trong này.
What's that for? Ah, that's the pipe. Yeah, that goes to the. Yep. So this is the exhaust, the front of the exhaust. That's coming off the motor there. Yep, don't panic.
Giờ tôi cái này. Cái đầu này. Gãy nè.
Yeah.
Đó.
Yeah.
Vô đây.
Yeah, because here
Đâu.
only small.
Đó.
Now big. Yeah. This man deserves respect for what he's doing here. It's good man. Yeah, I like. Okay, walking. See you again. Okay, come on, Em. Yeah. Thank you, brother. You know, this is what's great about walking around here is there's the front of his house there, and oops, hang on. I'm out for a walk in the evening here. 5 kilometre walk, 8 p.m. Thursday night. Smashed it at the gym today, so I go for a walk, and I'm just trying to get out of the light here, and I come across just another house here where a guy's got his workshop. Bloody lights in the way here. There's bright lights everywhere. Where this guy's got his workshop here, and I get invited in because I know what I'm talking about when it comes to machines and tools and welding and cutting and a little bit about motorbikes as well. And it's good fun here in Vietnam because these little bikes up to 110cc, particularly the older models, there's so much to see and enjoy and learn about them. But I see guys here like this gentleman, and I call him a gentleman as well for the way he received me and invited me in. We had a good old talk there before I turned the old camera on here, the movie maker. So this is the pleasures I get from walking around at all sorts of hours. I don't park my ass at the bar anywhere. In fact, I get disdain looks from guys as I'm strolling past. You know, they're growing cobwebs on their ass at the bar. And this is just so much fun. Simple shit. Meeting people like that. So signing out, I've got another 2 kilometres to walk yet before I get back to my hangout. See you. You see a lot of those in Cambodia, these little electric 3-seaters. Not so many here. I've only seen about 4 or 5 here in Hoi An, Vietnam. So that'll be the family get around there. Little electric scoot. Someone's house there with a little lean-to on the side. Cool. I'm out in the middle of nowhere, in the countryside, out way behind the rice fields in Hoi An, eastern side of Hoi An, Kam Tan, eastern side of Kam Tan commune.